just say if me and you're going out or not.
Don't chew it though. Don't break it. No, don't do that. You broke it. Get the ping pong ball. Get that ball. Get the ball. Don't crush it. Don't crush it. Don't crush it. Don't do that. Get that ball. You get the ball. Cody. Get the ball, get the ball. You went through your legs. No, don't crush it. Don't do that to it. Get the ball. Get that ball. Get it. No. No. Get the ball. Cool. No. Drop it. Drop it. Leave it. Good boy. Stay. Okay, get it. No, don't crush it. That's a ping pong ball. Let me have it. Cody, quiet. All right, drop it. Drop it. Leave it. Hey. No. Drop it. Stay.